Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to open the Pine editor in TradingView. First, open the TradingView platform on your browser or desktop app. Once you are inside, go to any chart that you want to work on. You can select a market like stocks, forex, or crypto. Just make sure the chart is fully loaded on your screen. Now, focus on the right section of the chart interface. You will see several tabs and options available there. Look carefully for an option labeled Pine Editor or Pine. This is the built-in code editor where you can write and manage your Pine script. Click on the Pine Editor tab. As soon as you click it, a panel will open at the right side of your screen. This is where you can write your own scripts or edit existing ones. You will see a code area where you can type or paste your Pine script. If you want to add a custom indicator, simply enter your script into this editor. You can either write your own code or paste code that you already have. Make sure the script is complete and does not have errors. After entering your script, look for the button that says Add to Chart. Click on this button. TradingView will process your script and display the indicator directly on your chart. If there are any errors, they will appear in the editor, and you can fix them before trying again. Thanks for watching.